Hello, Peter Lenarczyk from Elprotronic. I would like to present you our GangPro multi-target programming of combined 6 targets microcontrollers with 2 external memories each. There will be shown programming procedure of internal and external flashes. The hardware configuration consists of XStreamPro programmer, appropriate signal splitter, 6 microcontrollers MCU'S, and 2 corresponding external flashes EFs. Firstly, please select microcontroller type, which is STM32L5 device. Secondly, select proper microcontroller and external flash voltage. Thirdly, choose target devices connected in numbered slots of hardware signal splitter. Next, please set programming and debugging interface settings. Then verify hardware connection to MCU targets by software with Verify Access button. Accordingly, please select external flash devices type connected to MCU. Configuration must consist of communication type, speed and MCU pins to be used. Please configure target device general memory options. Executed memory protection procedure will be verified. In MCU protection settings dialog, set all-purpose protection at first level. Finally, enable configured protection at start automatic programming of all 18 devices from single XStreamPro programmer. Thank you for your attention. Please do not hesitate to contact us.